U.S. President Donald Trump's latest Office of Government Ethics Form 278T filings reveal thousands of securities transactions within his discretionary trust during the first quarter of 2026. These filings show over 3,700 transactions with estimated cumulative activity between $220 million and $750 million. The values are reported in broad ranges due to federal disclosure rules. The portfolio is heavily weighted toward technology, artificial intelligence infrastructure, semiconductors, enterprise software, retail, and communications. These positions are part of Trump's liquid stock market holdings, not his full net worth. The filings do not include his larger position in Trump Media and Technology Group Corp., estimated at nearly $920 million. The White House and Trump organizations state these assets are held in discretionary accounts managed by independent third-party financial institutions. They emphasize that Trump, his family, and the Trump organization do not choose, direct, or approve individual trades. Costco Wholesale Corp. Ranks as the largest tracked position in Trump's liquid portfolio, with an estimated 12.31% weighting and about $4 million in exposure. This makes Costco the top-listed stock holding and adds a large consumer staples allocation, too. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. The portfolio. Oracle Corp follows at 11.08%, with an estimated value of about $3.6 million. Oracle's role in cloud computing and enterprise software has made it a closely watched technology position in the trust. ServiceNow Inc. ranks third at 10.15%, with an estimated exposure of about $3.3 million. The filings show large enterprise software transactions, indicating a strategic focus on digital infrastructure. The composition of Trump's liquid stock portfolio reflects a mix of consumer staples and technology, with significant exposure to enterprise software and cloud computing. These positions suggest a diversified approach to market exposure while maintaining a focus on high-growth sectors. The White House and Trump organization have consistently emphasized that these assets are managed independently and that Trump's personal involvement is limited to oversight. This distinction is important in separating his public financial disclosures from broader political narratives. The filings themselves do not provide exact trade dates, volumes, or performance metrics, leaving room for interpretation about the portfolio's liquidity and risk profile. The next signal to watch is whether the discretionary trust will continue to allocate capital toward enterprise software and AI infrastructure, or whether it will shift toward other asset classes in response to market conditions. These filings offer a rare window into the financial activities of a sitting president, highlighting the complexity of managing wealth in a discretionary trust structure. The broad ranges used in reporting add uncertainty about the exact scale of transactions, but they also underscore the challenges of transparency in high-net-worth portfolios. For investors and analysts, the focus remains on how these holdings align with broader market trends and whether they reflect a deliberate strategy or simply the output. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Of automated trading systems. The presence of major technology and consumer companies suggests a balance between defensive and growth-oriented assets, a common tactic in portfolio management. As the financial landscape evolves, the trust's decisions could signal broader shifts in investor sentiment and market confidence. The Trump organization's insistence on the independence of these accounts also raises questions about the level of influence and oversight Trump maintains, despite his public statements. For now, the filings serve as a snapshot of a portfolio shaped by algorithmic and institutional decision-making, rather than direct presidential involvement.